Now let's get down to it. I need to vent a little bit. So here, as you guys know, the whole month of July, I was, thinking everything's good, no problems or nothing. I'm just going to wait till August and I'm going to get all my healthcare stuff. Right? I'm covered. Technically, I should be covered as of August 1st. So if anything after August happens, I'll be able to get it paid by this company. And no issues will arise, right? Business as usual, working and everything. So here it is. It's August 7th. I'm like, wait a minute. I still don't have it. It's been a week. And that I've supposedly been covered by this company. They didn't mail me my healthcare cards. In fact, I didn't even get a piece of paperwork or an email from this company saying welcome or, confirming that I'm being covered. This is just so peculiar to me. Let me go out of my way, which again, I shouldn't have to, right? This is a company who's in the business of making money. They should be contacting me, but no. I had to go out of my way to contact them and try to figure out what the hell's going on. So last night, I went onto the website, the Washington Healthcare website, and I found the number. I called them, and I said, what's going on? And they said, oh, no, sir, we see here in our records, yes, in late June you did register, you paid, and you are covered now. It is August. You are covered by this company. We don't know why you didn't get your healthcare cards, but you're going to have to call the company directly. So basically what happened is previously, before Obama changed everything, I would have already been dealing with the company directly. I would have talked to them. I would have known exactly what was going on. But because we now have everything centralized, I had to go through this third-party Washington State website who didn't give me any information. And now they say, okay, well, here's the number. Call them directly. I'm like, okay, fine. I'll call them directly. I'll try to figure this out. Okay? I call them directly. We don't have your information. We don't even know who you are. You're not in our system. We were never sent anything. We're not covering anything for you. So, obviously something went wrong here. And we get calls like this all the time. And, and we apologize. It's not our fault. It's that stupid Washington State website people. They don't do their job properly. They're not educated properly. And the website doesn't tell you what you need to do to actually qualify for healthcare. I'm like, you gotta be shitting me. So I paid them money. And for a month, they literally just held my money, did nothing with it, and I don't have healthcare. And they said, no, you don't. But here's what you need to do. You need to get a letter from your old utility company in Connecticut. You need to get a letter from your new utility company here in Washington State. You also need to get a letter from your old health insurance company stating that you've canceled it so that we know that you don't have double dipping coverage. And then with those three pieces of information, the state of Washington should approve your stuff and send us your information, and then you'll be covered. And I said, why didn't they tell me this? Just because they're horrible. They didn't train people to do this job. They rushed people into the new job to do this because Obama's plan went into effect so quickly that no one knows anything. So basically, they changed the whole healthcare system in America, but they didn't properly educate or train or equip anyone to handle it. Right? I'm like, this is amazing. So I called back the Washington State website, and I say, I just got off the phone with this healthcare provider who you said I was covered by. They said I'm not covered, and they told me all this stuff about stuff that you need. What is going on? And the guy goes, oh, I don't know. I'm looking here, and I can't see. Let me put you on hold for a brief moment. He goes on hold. He comes back. Oh, sir, yeah, I'm very sorry. Yeah, we do need all that information from you. And I'm like, why didn't the website ask for it or tell me you needed it? I don't know, sir. I apologize. This is a new system. We're getting set up. I'm like, so literally, I could have been sick. I could have gotten deathly ill this month. Went to the hospital, right? They would have billed me for everything, and nothing would have got paid because you fuckers don't know what you're doing. But the fact that people now have to go through all these fucking hoops, you've got different companies that aren't communicating, people that weren't trained, it's a joke. And this is life or death for some people. What about the person who moved to another state, got sick, and now they have to pay all those bills themselves and they can't afford it? What the fuck? So it's a stupid, broken system. Anyway, now what I have to do, I've canceled my coverage from Connecticut because they weren't going to pay for anything anyway. I've asked for them to expedite the process to send me a letter here to the state of Washington stating I'm not covered by them anymore. Once I have that, then I have to scan that in, and along with the two bills submit that to this Washington State website, okay? Submit all that info. Then I have to get on Washington's ass to try to process that info. So they'll send that info over to my healthcare provider. So then they'll put me in their system and they'll send me the medical card. So we're probably talking 2 more months of work. So I really fucking hope I don't get sick in the next 2 months, because guess what? I doubt anyone will pay for it. It's going to come out of my pocket. And the worst part about all this is that I was really looking forward to going to the doctor, to getting a full medical checkup, to seeing how my health is, because I haven't done it in years. And who knows, I might have underlying health issues that I'm not aware of, and there's no way for me to check on that right now, because I can't afford out of pocket. You know how much a doctor visit even is? Just to do a standard physical, it's hundreds and hundreds of dollars, and I can't afford it out of my pocket. Oh my god, I love the idiots who tweet me about this stuff now. Yes, I'm just gonna read this tweet. Yes, let's sacrifice human life for convenience. We don't even have a universal health care, you ignorant asshole. So basically you're an idiot. You read a tweet, you interpreted it how you wanted it, instead of understanding that I do like the fact that people are getting covered. People who hadn't been covered before Obamacare. But it's the new process is just broken and was not properly developed. But, you know, this is what people do. They tweet shit like that because they're fucking ignorant assholes. And, you know, they call me an ignorant asshole when they're just idiots who interpret things how they want instead of how they really are. If you'd actually listen to me on pre-stream today to hear my full thoughts on the matter instead of interpreting a tweet, maybe then, you know, you would have understood my real feelings, but you're just a jackass. And you'll be treated as such.